What's up, you guys? Welcome to our April bullet journal update video. Thank you so much for joining me today. For today's video, we've got our April setup, including monthly and weekly spread. Then we are going to go back in time, and I'm going to show you guys all of my spreads during the month of March in case you guys need some new ideas. And then this video, we're going to skip the new supplies. I'm going to show you guys a separate project I did with Etsy where I did a couple new collections that I added to my bullet journal that I thought you guys would like. And then we're going to end, of course, with our giveaway bundle of the month. As always, everything mentioned in today's video and all of my favorite core supplies, in addition to the blog post and giveaway details, are all down below in the description box. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started with this month. This month's theme is tea time and dessert time. Just everything that I love in terms of sweets. The inspiration for this theme came from some PAPERKUMACO new release stickers. She had these adorable animal desserts and also this like bear tea time, and I was like, ooh, yes, I'm gonna combine those two. So for our cover page, we have this beautiful storefront of delicious delights. I've got some of my favorite things: macaroons, ice cream, shakes, parfaits, cheesecake, cupcakes, teas. Just trying to emulate like a delicious storefront that you pass by and want to go in and buy all this stuff up. I've got everything flanked with two curtains, and then have almost like, you know, like woodworking in front of like a store or something on the top and the bottom. And then obviously, you know, who doesn't want hanging candies from the ceiling? Love it! So the skeleton was all there in pencil, and then after I went over everything with a Pigma micron pen, I was really racked on how to color this thing. I'm not the most proficient person in watercolor, even though I love the look of it so much. So I decided to do watercolor because I've been using markers so much, and then I didn't feel comfortable with pencils. So I went for it without a plan. I just kept using my Sakura paint set and my water pens from Pentel, and just kind of kept doing different washes of colors, different intensities, layering. I kind of just went for it. Now, things did not turn exactly how I liked it at first with the April like storefront sign. So the best part about bullet journaling is to not get hung up on mistakes. So instead of like restarting everything, which honestly guys, I'm such a perfectionist, what I would normally do, I just took some cardstock and redid the calligraphy and kind of painted it like a fun like woodsy sign, and then just pasted it on top. And now it's like a brand new page. So that's pretty much the essence of this cover page. I hope you guys liked it. Only downside to watercolor is that sometimes the paper could crinkle. So I need to find a way to kind of keep it more taut for next time. But overall, I was so happy with this page, and I hope you guys like it too. All right, let's go ahead and move on to our monthly log. So this month I had the same thought process of a larger calendar, but I wanted to do something different stylistically. So I went with the like evenly spaced between each calendar box. Cute way to just switch things up and make it more stylistic with little effort. And then on the side, I did something that I did a lot last year, which is having my events column. So it's almost like a traditional bullet journal style where you have 1 through 30 and you can write your appointments and everything to the side, in addition to having the visual look of the calendar to the left. Now for decorations, I of course had the PAPERKUMACO sticker set. So I used the dessert time animals, and I wanted to do something a little bit different. Instead of just slapping the stickers onto the direct page, I used 2 different rolls of washi tape to lay down like a background, and then I did the stickers on top of that. So it just kind of popped more and more of like a big graphic appeal. I try to do 2 washi tapes, one that's opaque in color and one that's a translucent design, so that they really play off each other really well and gives it like a 3D pop. And then I think that the colors work really well with the dessert time theme with the pinks and the browns. I really love how everything turned out. It's really great how a simple sticker set can really just make a whole page pop with a cohesive theme. And then for the April, I did kind of like a calligraphy with like a drop shadow effect, and I thought it looked really cute too. Last thing is at the very bottom, I have a little notes area. I didn't know what to do with the, you know, bottom area below the calendar, so I just left that open to write things that come through my mind during the month. And yeah, I hope you guys really like this design. I think it looks really cute. All right, let's go ahead and move on to our weekly spread. So our weekly spread, I did a hybrid of box dailies in addition to a running task area, and then also our events sidebar. So I started with the box dailies on the left hand side. I fit Monday through Saturday in evenly spaced squares, dragged Sunday onto the second page of the spread. And then below that, I kept that all like running tasks. There are some things that I just like need to do within the week, and I don't want it to be confined to a specific day. And then to the right hand side, I use my Ink by Jang stamped kits. By the way, stamped kits are like everything for those bold headers. They look so perfect and crisp, and I just love them so much. She also has these calendar stamp sets that are really great if you're like so sick of writing each individual digit. So I use that as a April calendar reference, and then below that I have my this week's events, Monday through Sunday. This is just isolating every appointment or event that happens from my daily tasks. I did the same thing for the decor. I used the Bear Tea Time sticker set from PAPERKUMACO, and I did 2 different washi tapes. I did like a latte color solid along with some pink diagonal stripes. Both of them create a nice background that enhances the stickers and makes them pop. And then I used a Tombow dual brush pen in that same latte color to highlight everything. And I really love my monthly and weekly logs this month. It makes me really excited to plan my week, and it was just a great creative exercise for myself. Alright, so that does it for this month's April layout. I realized after I shot this that I didn't have any trackers. Like, I'm really flying by the seat of my pants this month, so I'm really sorry that I'm missing collections, but don't worry, I've got some extra things to show you guys this month for inspiration, so I hope that makes up for it. Okay, let's go back to our March. I left you guys right here. This was our first weekly log, top bar full of events, little box dailies, and then a large space for this week and next week. This one was really good. I'm definitely gonna try this again this month. Then the second week of March was pretty minimalist. I did horizontal rows for every single day. Top header, I had a little mini calendar. And then at the very bottom sliver on the bottom right, it was just like a next week item area. Third week of March, I had something very similar to week 1. Top row is gonna be for events. Then I did small box dailies on the left hand side, and then the right hand side was open areas for bid to do's for the week and also future items. And then the last week of March was a 6 box daily on the left, and then I threw like the event bar at the very bottom. It was very small, but I was just trying it out. And then the whole right hand page was running tasks and next week items. Alright guys, so that does it for our March spread ideas. Let's go ahead and move on to the next section, which is some new collections that I did for a collaboration with Etsy. I get so many of my supplies off of Etsy, and it was such an honor to be able to collab with them. So I created 4 like spring cleaning collection ideas, and the first thing I did was a cleaning schedule. A cleaning schedule is a way to keep track of like the major chores that you would likely do around your house. I separated by time frames, so daily tasks, weekly tasks, monthly tasks, quarterly, and biannually. And this way it's just like, hey, you know, freshen up your towels once a quarter, maybe do a KonMari refresh twice a year to make sure you're getting any extra clutter out of your house, things like that. Then for the other side of the 2-page spread, I did a self-care menu. We were always so busy, and it's so hard to just take, 5 to 10 minutes out of your day to do something that really fulfills you, spiritually, emotionally, physically. So it was so much fun to sit down and think about the things that really bring me just so much immediate joy. So I created a self-care menu of my favorite things, and I thought it looked so cute. I used a combination of PAPERKUMACO stickers and also doodles. And for this whole 2-page spread, I used Ink by Jang stamp kits for those beautiful, clean, bold font headers, and then of course, lots of stickers throughout. This is a way for you to just think about cleaning of your household and your environment, and also self-cleaning for yourself. Alright, then the next 2 spreads that I did for this project, I did a meal plan. I actually did this with my mom. You guys remember Mama Wong? She's my everything. And I created this massive grid of just almost like recipe inspirations. This is not idealistic because no one's got time to make all these individual recipes, so please know that this is more of just like a big bundle of things that you can try. But I did a meal plan, and I had on my y-axis breakfast, snack, lunch, snack 2, and dinner, and then each day of the week on the top, and basically create this like a grid. Monday for breakfast, I can have oatmeal, blueberries, and pecans. Thursday for, dinner, I can have salmon teriyaki with sauteed spinach. Really, my mom just helped me think of every single fun recipe that I would enjoy so that I could always reference this and be like, oh, here, I can quickly make up a meal plan for the week. At the very bottom of the meal plan, you'll also find the shopping list for all the recipes within the grid. Please feel free to use this as inspiration for yourself. And then lastly, I am in the middle of KonMariing my life, and it's literally changed so many things about how I feel about the things that I own, and it's just so transformative. So I created a massive checklist of all the things I need to tackle in my own time. I used, again, PAPERKUMACO stickers, Ink by Jen stamp kits, and then drew out, everything within my household to tidy, and also did it by the KonMari method, a list of orders. So that does it for our new collections. If you guys want to check out the blog post and save these pictures to your Pinterest board for references later, you can check out the link down below in the description box. On that note, let's move on to our monthly giveaway. This month we have a fun rainbow kind of theme for our giveaway bundle. If you guys are interested in entering this giveaway, please be sure to click the link in the description box. It will take you to the actual module to insert your information. If you are the winner of this bundle, you will receive a LEUCHTTURM 1917 hardcover dotted journal, a trio of Erin Condren Life Planner stickers. I got a sticker sheet, a packet of sticky notes, and also 20 sticky corner pockets where you can literally create an on-the-go pocket on any single page that you choose in any journal. A cute little Daiso mini rolled notebook, 5 sheets of PAPERKUMACO stickers. I've got a mixture of some artsy black and white drawings, cute little animations, fashion girls, and some text and icons. A Uniball Signo RT1 gel pen in 0.28 millimeters, and also a Jetstream ballpoint pen in 0.38 millimeters. And then lastly, a packet of Stabilo Boss Original Pastel highlighter markers that literally look so adorable. I can just eat them up even though they're markers. If you guys are interested in winning this month's bundle, be sure to, number 1, be a subscriber. If you haven't subscribed yet, click that red subscribe button down below and join the Miss Louie family. And number 2, click open the giveaway link in the description box. It will take you to the module to enter your details and complete the process. It is super easy. This giveaway ends in 1 month at the end of April at 11:59 p.m. Pacific time, and it's also open internationally, so feel free to submit away. I love you guys so much. I hope you guys enjoyed today's bullet journal update, and wishing you so much good peace and happiness and love out there. Have a good one, and see you in a few days. Bye!